I will never look at joint pain the same way after learning this. What if there's a real proven way to get your mobility back? You're about to find out. If you wake up stiff, ache every time you move, or miss out on activities you love, you're not alone, and you don't have to settle for it. Joint Genesis Trademark is the breakthrough supplement people are raving about. Doctor-developed, science-backed, and loaded with the patented, mobily registered trademark formula. It works by replenishing hyaluronic in your joints, restoring natural lubrication and comfort. Over 127,000 people have taken back their flexibility and joy. Why not you? Start your journey to a life without joint pain. Subscribe now and step into a new chapter, pain-free. Do you feel like your joints are holding you back from enjoying life like before? Walking hurts, standing up is a struggle, and exercising feels impossible. You've tried everything, but nothing seems to work for long. Here, you'll find more than just a channel. You're joining a full community focused on restoring joint health with real science. We're the official Joint Genesis trademark channel, bringing you the supplement that's transforming thousands of lives with an innovative, natural formula backed by serious research. On this channel, you'll see heartfelt testimonials, educational videos on improving mobility, clear medical explanations, and practical solutions to reduce joint pain, inflammation, and stiffness. No more empty promises. It's time to understand what's behind your pain and how to defeat it for good. If you want more freedom, fewer limitations, and a lighter, more active life, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and take your first step toward transformation. You're about to discover the secret science that reveals the real cause of joint discomfort and how to reverse it naturally, safely, and effectively. Welcome to the official Joint Genesis trademark community. Here, you'll get direct access to content that explains how this doctor-formulated and Ivy League-backed solution is changing lives, even for those who had already lost hope. Let's dive deep into the benefits of hyaluronic, understand the critical role of synovial fluid, and see how the patented mobily registered trademark ingredient can restore your mobility and freedom. Get ready for videos with clear language, real proof, translated clinical research, and practical advice for anyone who wants to move again with ease. If you want to live pain-free, with more energy and confidence, this is your channel. Subscribe now and join the joint health revolution.
Regenerativo, enquanto os reservas vão a campo sobre os olhares de Felipe Luiz.
Como você falou, três competições importantes que a gente quer chegar em todas. Agora a gente veio do conjunto, vamos contra o Botafogo e esperamos agora esse desafio contra o Cruzeiro fora de casa, fazer uma grande partida. A equipe está pronta, preparada, se Deus quiser a gente vai fazer um grande jogo e trazer os 3 pontos que nos mantém na liderança.
Jogo de extrema dificuldade, a gente tá bem preparado, vindo de uma boa sequência fora de casa, sem derrota principalmente, que isso é muito importante no Campeonato Brasileiro. Você somando pontos fora de casa, assim, de empate ou vitória, é óbvio que a gente vai em busca da vitória.